Bunny, bunny. So, though he's not physically very strong, he's good looking and all. He calls himself a model. So, girls, check out. I can give you his number later, okay?
I like him, man.
Hey, but no, only liking, okay? I like girls. So, who is next?
Next. I.
Me.
Yeah. I like.
I'm
Hey, come on, yeah.
Okay. He's Sai. He's the director. Hey, sure. He's Sai. He's the director of the film, okay? Like, though we have been in touch for 1 or 2 days over the phone, I met him today only.
Yeah.
Okay. See his face, okay? Like, you can make out, like, he's a very spontaneous guy. He likes to get things done. Okay. He's a kind of a nonsense and all. He likes to have fun, but no nonsense when he begins with his work and all. Okay, and he's multifaceted, as in like he's not only into direction and all. Probably he'll get into cinematography or like script writing, many things. Whatever he likes to do. He'll do it to the best of his level.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, man. Bye.
I forgot your name. Deepu?
Awesome.
Deepu Hasan, okay. See, again, this guy, he's physically and all very strong. But he's not overly extrovert. He is like trying to, make more friends and, make more contacts, venture into many other fields and things like that. And he believes in spirituality and all. And he likes to know more things. Like, like just now he said about astrology. But apart from that, he likes to know about, black magic, white magic, and, future prediction, time travel, and things like that. Mainly, going back to the ancient roots, something like that.
Okay, next.
Yeah.
It's me, Pawan.
See, he's physically strong. You can make out, okay, for his looks, body, and all. I think he's going to gym also, right? Huh?
Used to.
Used to. Okay, fine. So now, Deepak, no, he's also very jolly go, happy.
No, I'm Pawan. I'm
Sorry.
Pawan.
Okay. Pawan. So he's also happy go, jolly kind of a person. He likes to keep people around him happy. He likes to be happy and things like that. But the thing is, like, everyone has their thresholds. He's a kind of a person, when things go wrong, he try to keeps it under control. But when it is going above and all, finally he'll burst out and he'll get very angry and all. Sometimes probably he'll become violent also, take some chair and break it down or something like that. Correct, no? Correct, no?
Yes, man. Yes, that's true.
Okay. Then, next person. Yeah, Devraj. See, he's also similar to Pawan, okay. I'm not sure if he goes to gym and all, but he's also very physically strong and all. And if you can see, he's not as short-tempered as Pawan, but Devraj is also short-tempered, but his saturation point is much more higher than Pawan. And physically strong. I think girls would like you, I think. Okay then, chalo, bye bye. See ya.